everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mic&Mak Studio. My name's Erica Roberts, busy mom, crafter, DIYer, expert. A lot of times when I talk to people about crafting, they tell me,
Yeah, I'm just not that crafty.
hey, if crafting is not your thing because it's not your thing, that's okay. But if you want crafting to be your thing, but you think all projects have to be Pinterest perfect, or that you have to spend a ton of money or own a ton of craft supplies to get started, we gotta talk. First of all, we all have craft and DIY fails. And yes, that was my first attempt at changing my hair color. Don't let that stop you. What do? Have a good laugh, go back to the drawing board, and try it again. Yes. And you can totally craft and DIY on a budget. That's the whole point of DIYs. If it's too expensive to buy, do it yourself. Crafting should be fun, not stressful, and you shouldn't have to break the bank to do it. I mean, in the words of Sweet Brown,
ain't nobody got time for that.
That's why my mission is to bring you projects that are not only easy and inexpensive, but craft projects that'll make you say, hey, I can do that. So, hop aboard the DIY train, hit that subscribe button, and let's get crafting, people.